What is this called? Onion. What is this called? Asparagus. What is this called? Bell pepper. What is this called? Artichoke. What is this called? Bottle gourd. What is this called? Garlic. What is this called? Tomato. What is this called? Carrot. What is this called? Celery. What is this called? Radish. What is this called? Kale. What is this called? Beetroot. What is this called? Zucchini. What is this called? Cabbage. What is this called? Leek. What is this called? Eggplant. What is this called? Edamame. What is this called? Broccoli. What is this called? Spinach. What is this called? Jackfruit. What is this called? Sweet corn. What is this called? Potato. What is this called? Pumpkin.